In this video, we'll discuss and review how to import a manifest or pick list of goods that you want to actually load into any given truck, container, tote, whatever it may be. First, I'll go to a new truck manifest, and I'll note here that I already have certain products in my SKU list. You can see our other video on how to import your SKU list to do this yourself. My next step is I want to create a pick list or manifest of goods to be loaded into my desired equipment. I can manually do this by double-clicking to add these products. However, if I have many manifests or several shipments that I want to import at once, this can be tedious. So to import at a single go, there are two steps. First, you must prepare a CSV file that has the information MaxLoad requires. In this example here, I've saved this as a CSV file and have included just the basic information. The manifest ID, so here you'll notice I have two different manifests. The line items, or the SKU IDs, and the corresponding quantities for each one. This is the basic information. From here, if you're not familiar with CSV files, you'll need to save an Excel file by going File, Save As, and selecting CSV, Delimited from the drop-down. Once this file is prepared, there are two steps. First, I go to Tools, Import, Config Picklist Import. This is where you tell MaxLoad what the columns are in your Excel file. If you have data in here already, you can hit Clear All to begin fresh, and then match up your columns. The first column is the manifest ID. The second is the SKU ID. Then lastly, we have the quantity of each line item. Make sure you have a comma for your delimiter, and if you have headers, you'll want to ignore the first line, or the top one line. Once you've completed this, hit OK. MaxLoad will remember that configuration. The second step is to go back to your Tools, Import, then actually import the pick list file. Browse to where you saved your CSV file. Select it, and then hit Open. Next, you can either select your manila folder icon here on your toolbar or simply say File, Open. And under my Vehicles tab here, I will have the two different manifests that were in the file. Select one and hit OK. And you'll have your manifest with the corresponding quantities available to do the rest of your calculations. That's all. Thank you.